going to make some ice cream today. We are in quarantine. One of the things we have been wanting so badly is some ice cream. And I'm gonna have to improvise on this one because we don't have any eggs. We are staying away from the stores because we're high risk here in my house. Everything I'm getting is delivered. So to make ice cream, I have some powdered heavy cream. I do have milk, whole milk. But a lot of these recipes call for egg. And I have powdered egg. So it's going to be interesting. There are so many vanilla ice cream and strawberry ice cream, chocolate ice cream, all kinds of ice cream, sherbets, freezes. I don't exactly know what a freeze is, but there is so many recipes for frozen desserts in this amazing cookbook of my mom's, this vintage cookbook. And there's 5 different vanilla ice cream recipes. There's French, American type, French type, and then there's old-fashioned vanilla ice cream. Now, because this cookbook is probably from the 1930s, an old-fashioned ice cream recipe from the 30s has got to be pretty old. So and it calls for less eggs than the rest of them. So I'm gonna try that one and try to get our ice cream on. And I will take a picture of this recipe as well as the other vanilla ice cream recipes so that you can make it on your own. This calls for 1 tablespoon of vanilla or 1 teaspoon of bean powder. I wish I had vanilla bean. So I'm going to add more vanilla. So I have refrigerated the mix, the vanilla ice cream mix. This was in the freezer. It's the canister. This is my ice cream maker. And I spent several days freezing ice cubes in the ice cube tray to fill this for enough ice to make the ice cream because I wasn't about to go to the store and get a bag of ice. So here we go. We're gonna freeze this thing and have ice cream. So, I'm gonna taste this. Oh my God. This is so good. Amy, honestly, This is probably the best ice cream I've ever had. Right, biggies? Right, biggies? I haven't gotten ice cream this good out. Look at that. This is amazing. So I'm gonna put the recipe, a picture of this, and let me know if you make it. Leave it in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. Like and subscribe for more of my mother's cookbook recipes. Be safe, stay well.